Welcome to RTV. Welcome to our crib.
4, 3, 2, 1. Roll, fade, and track it.
Who are we? RTV!
Minutes till you go live to have that standby sign up. Roll, fade, and track it. Go to 6. Yes, preview 6. Okay, dissolve to 2. Perfect, thank you. Leave the graphic in there, that's fine. Graphic out. Four.
We're a team, okay? We want you guys to feel comfortable. We want everyone to be happy. We want to be happy with the end result. Because the end result is all of us together. No matter what position you play, even if you're just coiling cables, you are part of this team. And the end result is because of you. So there's not a single person here who is not important to that end result. Every person here together equals that end result of telecast. That's clear to everyone. So no matter what position you have, whether you're TD, you're a director, or you're just coiling cables, you are extremely important to our team and we value you. I want to make that very clear. Okay?